Hi everyone, welcome to the third experiment in this science packet. My name is Ramya and I'm the one that designed this experiment. And this time we're going to be growing beans in different liquids. So normally we water beans or plants with water, but we're going to see what happens when we use different liquids to do so. So you're going to need a couple different things for this experiment. So you'll need a paper towel, a plastic Ziploc or sandwich bag, some water, which I have in this bowl, and then some dried beans. So first, I'm going to move everything out of the way. And second, I'm going to take this paper towel and I am going to wet it in the water. And then just be sure to squeeze out all of the extra water, but be sure to leave it a little damp so the beans can use it for nutrients. So then you can just unroll it and then be sure it's folded in half. And then just open the Ziploc bag and shove it in. So it's just gonna look like that, and then put the beans on top, and that is literally all you need to do. Just be sure the beans are a little spaced out so they'll have room to grow, and that's all you have to do. Next, you can just repeat the same process we did but with different liquids like milk and orange juice, and just wait for them to grow. And the final thing is to take a marker and label which liquid you used. So that says water. So just repeat the same process for milk and orange juice. I'm not going to do it right now in this video, but be sure to do it at home. And that's all you need to do. And then leave it in a sunny spot. So I actually went ahead and did this experiment maybe a week and a half ago. And I want to show you guys the results of what your beans may look like in a few weeks. So this is the one I did with water, as you can see, and they've actually grown really well. So I'm gonna take it out, and you can see that the beans have sprouted. You can see the green part, and you can see all of the roots. And so this is what it can look like when you use water as your liquid. And all you have to do from now is measure the length of the roots and input all of that into the data table. And then you can try to plant this in soil and see what happens, or just keep it in the bag and observe it for a longer period of time. So I hope you have fun with this experiment. This is definitely a little bit longer since you'll be waiting a few weeks for the beans to sprout and then grow. But make a prediction of which liquid you think the beans will grow best in, and then wait a couple of weeks and see if you're right. Have fun!